One time, Shottaz in the
Chibambaira.
Big up Natty Odi boy.
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mareebo. Welcome to Global Sound as part of Clayton Festival 2021. Monash City Council acknowledges the traditional owners of the land we're standing on, now known as Monash, and pays respect to the elders, past, present, and emerging. All our artists are world class and come from all over the world: Africa, Sri Lanka, Torres Strait Island, and here in Melbourne, Australia. As this is an online event, we invite you to connect virtually in 2021 with your family and friends. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'd like you to enjoy Global Sounds as part of Clayton Festival 2021 online. Please enjoy.
Yes, greetings. We go by the Shottaz, and we're here to give you guys a quick performance on dancehall, hip-hop, and everything around. I hope you guys are ready for the ride. Big up to the Clayton Festival one time. Big up to Mareebo. Let's go.
Yeah, yeah. We can make it.
What you saying now?
Shottaz in the building.
Shottaz in the,
Shottaz in the building.
Shottaz in the.
We can make it work.
What you saying right now?
Hey. Everybody in the place that you dance when I hold the mic.
Why?
Start right in your head and your heart, make your soul ignite.
Be real?
When you pushing at the air, somebody definitely on the party.
Who that? Who that? Who
It's
that?
all good just as long as you go pass it over here. It's good if you pass it over here. Tonight it's on, I'm like a werewolf. Flash full moon, anything goes, I'ma break the rules. This town is pumping, girls whining, we all wildin'. Man, Lawrence, nothing to lose. The picture snapping, hashtag YS, we trending. Kim K, internet, we breaking. Vibes up, no signs are landing. No signs are landing.
We can make it work, even if we only have one speaker. We can make it work, we can make it work,
Make it work.
See the girl them twerk. We can make it work, we can make it day or night, night or day. We can make it work, we can make it work,
Make it work, make it work.
we can make it work.
Make it work, make it.
When the thing turn up, me and the squad, we getting lit up in a business out the place set up. Vibe we are lit up. It could be a club or house party with the liquor we drink up. So if you see me set up, put up in a this place, it's time to celebrate. Never mind the bar, mind the rate. We only want to link up with the girls, kick back, conversate, only positive vibes.
Orchestrate.
And if my eyes are red, I'm not mad. I'll be up on the next level straight.
Loving life.
Pay no mind to the hypocrite, parasite. Pick up to my second guarantee that we are keeping tight. Mr. Selector, could you play some young shots? Yeah, them looking nice, you know we're looking proper now. We gonna mash it up, but how can we smash it up if the venue nice?
We trash it up, trash it up.
Even if we only have one speaker, we can make it work, we can make it work,
Make it work.
See the girl them twerk, we can make it work, we can make it day or night, night or day. We can make it work,
Make it work,
make it work.
make it. Listen, hey. Everybody in the place that you dance when I hold the mic.
Why?
Start it right in your head and your heart, make your soul ignite.
Be real?
And when you pushing at the air, somebody definitely on the party.
Who that? Who that? Who
It's all
that?
good just as long as you go pass it over here. It's good if you pass it over here.
Tonight it's on. Say we can make it work, even if we only have one speaker. We can make it work, we can make it work.
Make it work.
See the girl them twerk. We can make it work, we can make it day or night, night or day. We can make it work, we can make it work.
Make it work, make it work.
We can make it work.
Make it, make it. Everybody in the place that you dance when I hold the mic.
We can make it work.
Start it right in your head and your heart, make your soul ignite.
What you saying now?
We can make it.
What you saying
We
now?
can make it.
Yes, Yes, big up to everyone tuned in right now. Like I said, we go by the Shottaz. That song is called Make It Work. It's out everywhere, social media, YouTube, Spotify, whatever. So the next song is from our country. You want to talk about it?
No long talking. I mean, the song is called Chimbambaira.
What does that mean?
And that just basically means a landmine scene. So anytime we step in the dance, Alongside the bad DJ at the back there, it's always an explosion scene.
Yeah.
Let's talk to them. One time, Shottaz in the
Chibambaira.
Woo! Big up Natty O the boy.
Chibambaira.
Ability extension. Juice Dimension.
Chibambaira.
Monash.
Listen.
Clayton. Check it. Hey!
Careful when you step in the system, there's a dazzling mind in them live. This is not a drill, this is real. Make one wrong step, you need 9. Take over your senses, you're defenseless. We go hard, we're relentless, and it's just the beginning of a long night. So I suggest that you get your mind right. It's go time, now it's show time. Time to kick rhymes designed to blow minds. No time for fun, no time for games. More time for winners, no time for lames. Swinging for the fences relentlessly. Ravage the sea like a tempest. It's gonna be a wild ride.
So I hope that you get
Let's
your
go,
mind right.
Shibambaira. We about to blow in the city on a mission with a slot till we're winning. Shibambaira. Turn up the vibe on the rhythm, we are make you feel high on the rhythm. Shibambaira. Chakuputika muno, Chibambaira, chakutuka muno. Chakuputika muno, Chibambaira.
Kiss to the city, tis getting sticky. Upon a noche, miss I tell him what a calamity. What your putika, boom. I want a pity see. Anyway the team go, team getting sticky.
We're gonna fire for fire. Hotter than the city, Madiri Cabana. Blowing the city, they know we are forward, so that's right.
Big boy step in, boom. Show them the bright light. Me want like the whole place got the time right.
Clap on the corner.
So you know me alright. But teacher put it, I must pick up a chat.
We're gonna fire for fire. Hotter than the city, Madiri Cabana. Blowing the city, they know we are forward, so that's right.
Tick on fire,
Shibambaira. We about to blow in the city on a mission with a slot till we're winning. Shibambaira. Turn up the vibe on the rhythm, we are make you feel high on the rhythm. Shibambaira. Chakuputika muno, Chibambaira, chakutuka muno. Chakuputika muno, Chibambaira.
hey! When we come through, kick big tunes. Lyrical come full like gently and Bruce. Lay there with nothing, oh the boy. It is the mind, feel blowing ceilings. When we step on the rhythm, we dangerous. We hazardous to the mic, we cancerous. Radioactive, the DJ's playing us. Get the crowd high like we're angel dust. Hey! Go fast, leave us when we pass. Boy, can't touch this or register trademark. Yeah, bad man can only pass their remarks. Pinocchio knows when they lie, we advance. We just making music, making excuses. Either way they song and dance. Bump up on the rhythm, but you no Shotta. Blowing up the place cause hey, one
Shibambaira. We about to blow in the city and a mission with a slot till we're winning. Shibambaira. Turn up the vibe on the rhythm, we are make you feel high on this rhythm. Shibambaira. Chakuputika muno, Chibambaira, chakutuka muno. Chakuputika muno, Chibambaira.
Chibambaira. That means land man sing. Say
Chibambaira.
wherever you're listening at. One time say Chibambaira.
Chakuputika muno, chakuputika muno.
Chibambaira.
Blow in the city.
We are top of the city.
That's right. Yes, big up to everyone. Stick Mareebo. Yeah, big up to the whole Clayton Festival family.
Chibambaira.
And most importantly, big up to everyone tuned in right now. Y'all are the A1s.
Mad.
Yeah, so let's just keep it moving, my selector. This is our newest song, featuring the one like Yao Faso.
One life.
Big up to him wherever he is at right now.
Hold the vibe.
We're gonna rock it. Let's go.
Hold the vibe.
Check it.
Let's go.
Been a long year now, we look upon summer. Me and the team kick back and cool it. Smoke, push, drink up in the sun, and we have to link up with Shelly and Susan. Vibes up to the top when we touch the spot. Rude boy and the girl, them lose it. Man, I top class colors with the cream of the crop to the dancehall queen. Never move it. It's a vibe when we ride, strictly good time. No need to go fast and fight. Bust a move if you feel good. Go and catch a wine or even electric slide. Let go when your stress, get down if you're ready. Two steps deep, time to rock steady. Pull a selector, cause the tune sound nice, yeah. Live for the night, yeah.
Hey, bring a bad vibe, we go shoot it down. Wish I'm more like
voice
when we
of Yao
push it
Faso.
down. Someone like a movie, so cool it down. But Body so live and don't turn
What you saying now?
Bring a bad vibe, we gon' shoot it down. Wish you more life, nothing bullshit now. Summer like a movie, so cool it. Been a long year, now we hold it right, yeah.
I do not need clothes that are overpriced. Drinking a hemp plus greens, I will hold the vibe. Hey, find a pretty young queen, I will hold it overnight. Life is short, but the journey long, so I'll live it overdrive. Hey, tomorrow's not promised, no matter how much you prepay. Sometimes just roll the dice. Enjoy the moment in life, do what you prefer. Eat out your favorite vice. Love to see the girls with good skin. Okay, whining contest up in here. Once call your feet in your home with your Lord.
Okay, energy.
Hey. Bring a bad vibe, we gon' shoot it down. Wish you more life, nothing push it down. Summer like a movie, so cool it down. Body so light, never turn it around. Bring a bad vibe, we gon' shoot it down. Wish you more life, nothing push it down. Summer like a movie, so cool it. Been a long year, now we hold it right. Yeah, been a block up for a while. Now we have to break, feel alright. Now whole lot, now we taking flights. Now it's the party in my city, hold the vibe. No bad energy coming all about the devotion. You dance for me life, me all about the devotion. Get down with the vibes, tell me what is your motive. Now we moving kind of funny, get the body back in motion. We not be act like we do that. Me at the top, me got the box, I'm a Shottaz. You got the vision for the team, and it's all up. 2028 dance, so let's roll that. Double using our vision now. Me I go take what I deserve to get a life pan a better. In a me year, seen a turn around. And so tonight we are hold the vibe. Hold the vibe.
Yeah. Big up to High Stakes Records on production. Big up to Yao Faso, Stick Mareebo. We have been the Shottaz.
Shottaz, can you give us a little background on your journey? Obviously, you have traveled from another country and have called Australia home. Can you give us a little background on your journey?
So our journey is a long one. It starts off in Zimbabwe, Harare to be specific. So both of us were born and raised in Harare. In our teenage years, we moved over to New Zealand where we, kind of built a home as well. So we've spent most of our lives in New Zealand. And then finally we did migrate to Melbourne, which now we call home. Yeah, so we've been around.
How long ago did you move to Melbourne?
It was in 2017 for me, right? And I think he followed a year later, 2018.
Yeah.
So Shotta started off as young Shottaz about, how long, 10 years, 12?
It's more than that now, 12 years.
About 12 years ago. That's when we met up. There were 4 of us. We were making mainly dancehall music. So our music is mainly influenced by dancehall, but then we also listen to other types of genres, that we vibe to. Hip hop, it could be techno,
drum and bass,
jungle. It could
Afrobeat.
be anything really.
Yeah.
But the core sound in it is just dancehall music.
Yes.
So
you've got music online. People can find you online, purchase your music there.
Yeah, so we our music is everywhere. Your regular Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, Bandcamp, SoundCloud, everywhere. So we try to cover all bases. Got a few videos on YouTube as well. So yeah, we've got our music, spread out online. Just type the Shottaz on Google. I'm pretty sure we'll be the first, result to come. Because my man here got our SEO spot on.
What plans have you got for 2021? Where do you see your music going?
Picking up from where we left off in 2020, because we had a lot of things planned for 2020, but then the thing happened, and everything slowed down. But then we didn't stop making music anyway. We just kept making music, and we released quite a bit of it last year as well. We're putting out so many singles. I think about 5, 6.
About 6 singles and 2 EPs.
And 2 EPs,
Yeah.
and this is during lockdowns and all. So we thought of stopping, but then why stop? We can always make more music because a lot of people, I think a lot of artists were worried about they make music and where they're gonna put it, where they're gonna perform it. Everything is shut down. But yeah, true. That is bad. But then as an artist, as a creative, you're still gonna have that room for creating more, even growing as an artist. So we're just going to pick up from where we left off and see where we go.
To answer your question, 2021, we have an album coming. So that's our big move for 2021. We're in the final stages. We were supposed to release it last year. But because of COVID, we thought, let's hold off until we're nice and ready. So that was another blessing in disguise.
Yes, I.